Welcome back, students. How do you do? How do you spend in your homes? I hope you are referring the video very well. Good. Just we are going to start from the point we have stopped. Having this in your concept, these concepts in your mind, just we are going to revise the point that we have dealt last times. If you remember, we said that electricity. Before going to talk about the concepts of electricity, we have to know the concept what we mean by atoms. And if you remember, we seen about three parts of electricity, or three parts of atoms. Those are, the first one is the neutron. The second one is proton. The third one is electron. These three parts togetherly they form the atoms. We say that, if you remember, look, this is the electron, the neutron is the part of an atom without charges. We say that, but proton is the positively charged of an atom, and electron is the negatively charged particles. With moving electrons. So mobile, we can say mobile electrons, mobile or moving electrons, which can move on a given shells, So by having these concepts in your minds, look, electricity is the flow of moving electrons. Students, electricity is nothing but it is the flow of moving charges or moving electrons. We can say it is the moving electrons. So you cannot, students, you cannot see or you cannot touch the electricity, but you can feel, you can observe, or you can feel the effects. Students, you cannot see by your eyes the electricity, but you can feel or you can observe the effects. It is effects. So how we can know it that? Good. So electrical flash, for example, if you take flashlights, look, flashlights change electrical energy into electrical energy into light energy. Students, energy can be transferred from one type to another. You can change energy from one type to another energy, from light energy to sound energy, from sound energy to chemical energy, to chemical, from mechanical to chemical to electrical, even to sound energy and light energy. Energy can be converted from one type to another. Good. So look, for example, if you take the flashlights change the electrical energy into light energy. The flashlight convert or shift or change the electrical energy into the light energy. The second one is, if you take loudspeakers. Can you try, students? What loudspeakers change from what? to what? Loudspeaker change or convert. You can say convert electrical energy to sound energy. Get students, look, loudspeakers convert or change electrical energy into sound energy. So we say that flashlight change electrical energy into light energy. When we come to loudspeaker change electrical into sound energy. And also the third one is a television. If you take a television change also. A television can also change electrical energy will be changed into sound energy. Change electrical energy into sound energy with visual forms. Good. Lastly, if you take juice machine, students, what type of energy will be formed from the juice machine? Good. Can you try? Good. Juice machines juice machine converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Generally, students, the point that you have been in your mind from this subtopic is that energy can be converted from one another to another type of energies, from electrical energy to mechanical energy, like the juice machines, and a television can convert electrical energy to sound energy. And also, if you take radio, television, we look here. If you take a loudspeaker, it converts electrical energy into sound energy, and flashlights converts electrical energy into light energy. Good. Let me turn to some source of energy. Sources of electrical energy. Sources of electrical energy. Students, can you mention the sources of electrical energy? Please tell the answers to your parents. I will give you a few seconds for you. Parents encourage the student to respond the answers. Good. The first one is there are several sources of energy. The first one is battery cell. The second one is, students, generators. The third one is the sun. The fourth one is wind energy. Wind and waters. Students, look at this. There are sources of electrical energy. We can get electrical energy from different sources. From those sources, the first one is battery cell. The second one is generator. The third one is the sun. And also we can get the energy from wind and water by itself. So how can we get electrical energy from the battery cell? Let me deal with that battery cell. Battery cell. Battery cell. How we can get the energy from the battery cell? The first one is the energy produced. The energy produced by battery cell. By battery cell is a chemical energy. Chemical energy. Students, in a battery cell, the energy stored is a chemical energy. A chemical energy. You see, this battery cell can be this chemical energy is, for example, take different chemical energy, different electrical device. No, different electrical device. Different electrical device can convert this chemical energy into electrical energy. Students, look, the battery cell by itself contains a chemical energy. As I told you here, a chemical energy is stored. A chemical energy is stored in a battery cell. This battery cell or these devices can convert this chemical energy into different type of energy. This is called transformation of energy. This is called transformation of energy from the chemical energy to sound energy, light energy, whatever types of energy. So, for example, if you take battery cell for radio and flash. The chemical energy changed into what? The chemical energy changed into, students, the chemical energy changed into what? The chemical energy changed into sound energy. Sound energy and light energy. Sound energy and light energy. So the chemical energy which is stored in a battery cell is changed in a sound energy, a radio, and it changed or it transformed into light energy in a flashes. Have you got the point? The second one is it also found in car battery, which changed into light energy to produce light energy. The third one is laptop battery, which can form or which can give the light energy and mobile.
አስኳላ ልጆን በቤቱ የሚያስተምሩበት አማራጭ ፊልም። አዳዲስ ፊልሞቻችን እንዲደርሱ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ የቻናላችን ቤተሰብ ይሁኑ። ፊልሞቹን ሼር በማድረግ ለወዳጅ ዘመዶ ያጋሩ። አስኳላ አማራጭ የማስተማሪያ ዘዴ